For this question, we want to solve the exponential equation using the method of relating the bases by first rewriting the equation in the form e to the u equals e to the v. We have the equation e to the x squared equals e to the negative x times e to the 30th. So this method that we're going to be using, relating the bases, has us rewriting it so that we have e to the u equals e to the v. And once we have those bases being the same on either side of the equation, then we can say that the exponents are equal to each other. And we would have u equals v. So we're going to start off this question trying to write the equation in this format so that we have the bases being the same on both sides. So on the left, we already have e to the x squared, so we don't need to make any changes to that. On the right-hand side, we're going to use a property of exponents called the product rule to combine those two expressions together. We can use that product rule because they have the same base. So let me show you, this is the product rule for exponents. And it says when you have b to the m times b to the n, when you're multiplying, it's called the product rule because we're multiplying. We're multiplying with the same base. And when you do that, you can add the exponents. So we have the same base and we add the exponents. So for our example, we have e to the negative x times e to the 30th. They have the same base. So we're going to be able to add those exponents and get negative x plus 30. So now we have the same base on each side of the equation. And we're going to apply that relating the bases method. And once those bases are the same, the exponents have to be equal to each other. We have x squared equals negative x plus 30. So this has given us a quadratic equation, and I'll solve this by moving all the terms to the same side and factoring. So we have x squared plus x minus 30 equals 0. We'll factor. That gives x and x. 30 we can factor into 5 times 6. I chose 5 times 6 because I could create the 1 in the middle that I need. So I'll put a plus on the 6 and a minus on the 5. We'll set each one of these factors equal to 0 and give x equals 5 and x equals negative 6 as the solutions to this exponential equation. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.